Hey, this is Kelly with Breathe Degrees. Thank you for tuning in to our intro on breathing for sleep. So we reached the end of a busy day. We finally slip into our covers, put our head on the pillow, and guess what? Our brain is filled with a myriad of thoughts that won't stop. Those thoughts are usually always there, but we're so busy doing other things that we're unnoticing them. So when we have that moment to rest, our mind talks and we get really active in our brain. It's hard to fall asleep and it's hard to stay asleep. So this style of breath is really specific to guide us into a state of rest and restore so that we can let the monkey mind stop the chatter and finally get into a peaceful state of relaxation where we can enter a dreamlike state and totally surrender to sleep. So this style of breath, we're breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. That's how we most mimic what we're doing when we're in a state of deep sleep, nose breath. And it's nice to have a blanket. You might want to just slip into your bed right away so that you can just turn off the volume when you're done and go right to bed. But you also can lay on your yoga mat, lay on a couch, whatever's comfortable. If you like to use some eye patches, that'll blacken the space so that you can relax even deeper. And a good set of headphones is awesome. So with our breath, we will be breathing diaphragmatically, filling up our belly, carrying that breath up into our chest, and exhaling, releasing it all, letting it go. Let your lungs do the work. Let every muscle in your body relax. So it'll look something like this. You feel your belly rise when you inhale and it goes all the way up into your chest, and you'll feel your chest and your belly relax and soften when you exhale. You can have your arms down by your sides, let your toes flop open. And when you're doing this style of breathing, you might find that you get a little bit tingly. You might find that your muscles, your fingers, your toes might contract, and that's totally normal. We will have a breath hold, and during the hold, you will not need to take in any more oxygen. Your system will be fully oxygenated. So you can just enjoy those drifty, floaty feelings that you get. Let yourself ride the wave of the oxygen that is already coursing through your system. And if you do need to take a tiny, tiny little sip of air, go ahead. Don't stress yourself out. Just do your best. So let's start. Grab your headphones, plug in, and I'll see you on the other side. Enjoy.